It's been 2 years since Galaxy released A5. In 2017, they came with this very looking nice phone, very strong phone quality, and we are in 2019, so we got Galaxy A50 and different design, and you already can see the difference. Plastic here. You can hear the sound. Yeah. So we're gonna go quick through some specification and we see if it's any big difference between these two phones, and I really think they are. I do find A5 from 2017 more strong than A50 from this year, and I have to say that both of these phones are coming with the front glass plastic body on A50 and its aluminum frame on A5, and it's a big difference on screen. Here we got an 6.4 inch AMOLED display on A50, and we got 5.2 inch on A5 from 2017, and also this is a difference. A50 is coming with Corning Gorilla Glass 3, and A5 from 2017 is coming with Corning Gorilla Glass 4. So I don't know why they didn't put a stronger glass on A50, but anyway, let's go quick to the settings. About the phone, same here, about the phone, and software. So A50 is coming with Android 9 and A5 is coming with Android 8. Of course, we got the new One UI on A50. You can put the dark mode on here. On A5, nothing, so just simple like that. Okay, let's see the camera. Side by side, we got the triple camera on Samsung A50. We got a 25 megapixel camera, we got an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 5 megapixel depth sensor on A50. Also, we got just a single camera on A5, and it's 16 megapixel wide camera. And on the front, we got a 25 megapixel camera on A50, and we got an 16 megapixel camera on A5, and also A50 is coming with HDR, and both phones, they are capable to shoot videos in full HD 30 frames per second, and also both of these phones are coming with an NFC. We got fingerprinting display on A50, and we got an fingerprint on the home button on the A5, and also the USB, the charging port, it's an USB 2.0 Type C 10, and the same for A5. And now the difference is A50 support fast battery charging on 15 watts, and this one 2 years away support fast battery charging on 18 watts. So again, more fast charging on A5 than A50. Let's start with the speed test right now, and we're just gonna run some apps and some games, the same apps on the both phones. And if you can see on the background, it's nothing, and we're just gonna start with the first app right here, YouTube, on 1, 2, 3. Wow, A5 faster than A50. Okay, the second one, Samsung Notes, 1, 2, 3. Quite in the same time, if it's not A5 faster again than A50. Hot UK deals, 1, 2, 3. Think is more faster on A50 this time. Next app, Okay, I think it's A50 this time. Okay, let's go also on the settings. See, 1, 2, 3. Okay, A50 again. Google Play Store. 1, 2, 3. A50 again. Okay, so A50 take the leads. Alright, so let's do it again with calendar. 1, 2, 3. I'm pretty sure A50 did it. 1, 2, 3. Wow, I can see which one it's from these two. Okay, so let's move now on speed test, and we're gonna do an internet speed test. Let's open the app first and let's see which one is more faster. So 1, 2, 3. A50. And because A50 start, we're just gonna press go and let's see which one can download faster than the other one. So it's 4 megabytes, 3, and it's going slowly down. Okay, 369, and 2 for the upload. Then it's gonna stop on 2. Okay, let's move on. A5 right now. Start. Okay, bonus settings, move on megabytes and go back on the results. So 29 megabytes. And look at this. Look how much difference is between A5 and A50 on the download. Oh my god, 67 and 29. It's such a big difference. This one anyway is coming with category 6, which is up to 300 megabytes per second, and that's this big difference between these two phones. So quite a big difference on internet speed right here. Okay, let's move on Antutu benchmark, and 1, 2, 3. Faster on A5 and then A50, and you can see how many points you've got on these both phones, 145 and 80. So 145,000 points for A50 and 100 points on A5. So I'm not gonna put the ranking because probably you're not gonna find any of these phones on the first places. So look at this, with 100,000 points, A5 can be in some points more faster than A50. Let's move on some games. Hungry Shark. 1, 2, 3. A50 seems to be the first one. Yeah, the first one. And we're still waiting for A5. Okay. Let's move on the next one. Minion Rush. 1, 2, 3. Seems to be on A5, but wow, I think A50 did it in the end. Yeah. Okay, the next game, Temple Run 2. 1, 2, 3. It's loading on A50 and it's coming back on A5. Yeah, alright, so more faster on A50. Red Ball 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think it was A5 this time. And let's go on Angry Birds. 1, 2, 3. A50? Oh, wow. Still gonna ask me, okay. Until I'm not allowed them to see everything on the phones, they're not gonna let me to start the game. So yeah, Galaxy A50 is coming with an Exynos 9610 on 10 nanometers, and Galaxy A5 is coming with an Exynos 7880 on 14 nanometers. Both are octa-core, and the GPU for A50 it's a Mali G72, and on A5 it's a Mali T830. So this is the newest generation on A50, and even that, 1, 2, 3, even that A50 from 2 years ago is still doing a great job, and it's still fast and a still great phone, very strong build also. Seems that Galaxy 15 is opening all the games much quicker than A5, but also we've seen that a few apps they are opening much faster on A5 than A50. Okay, so let's open again to see which one keeps these apps better in the background. Start again with YouTube. 1, 2, 3. Okay, A50 first. 1, 2, 3. Notes. A50. A50. A5. A5. A50 this time. Camera. A50, I think so. Speed test. Okay, faster on A50 this time, and still waiting for A5. Come on, A5. And Tutu. Wow, quite the same time. Games again. Come on, Hungry Shark. You're not hungry? Okay, let's see games again. It's loading, loading, and loading. Okay, faster A50. Minion. 1, 2, 3. Last time this one did it quite faster than the other one. No, and again A50. Tempo run. 1, 2, 3. And A50 seems to be do it quickly then. Oh no, A5 did it. Wow, A5 did it. And this one has been blocked at the moment. We can play on this one, and A50 is doing nothing. What's wrong with you, A50? Okay. Red ball. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right, 1, 2, 3 again. Angry Birds. Let's see how many Angry Birds we got here. A50, A5, A50, A5, A50 did it. Yeah. Okay, faster. And the last one. 1, 2, 3. And you can choose which one is more faster after seeing all these apps running. And 2 years. It's just 2 years distance between A5 since being released and A50. Great phones, mid-range zone, and different prices, but I still find A5 a very nice looking phone. It's quite small, it's not that heavy, great camera. I did a lot of pictures on A5 and they are looking very nice. On the other side we got an A50. It's a new looking phone. We got a dot drop notch right here, AMOLED on both of these phones, and beautiful color, triple camera, and from what can I see is not that much difference. And I've been using Paint with this phone, and also probably you're gonna pay with this one also. So it's up to you to choose which one is more faster. And of course different design is looking much better on A50, but A5 is still one of the best phones from 2017 on the mid-range zone, of course. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, which is gonna help me a lot with growing this channel, and give a big like. So thank you again.